Welcome everyone to Module 1 Poetry Some Key Concepts. In the last class, we have examined two forms of poetry, one lyric, two ode. Today we will study about sonnet. Sonnet is a very important and very popular poetic form. In Italian language, sonnet means song or a small sound. This poetic form originated in Italy. It was the Italian poet Petrarch who made this poetic form famous with his sonnets. What are the features of sonnet? Sonnet consists of 14 lines. There is a type of sonnet with 10 lines. It is called curtal sonnet. Curtal sonnet. The meter used for writing sonnet is iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter. Iamb means a poetic food. A poetic food consisting of a short syllable and a long syllable. Short syllable is represented by this symbol and a long syllable is represented by this symbol. Food is a small unit in a poetic line. See, this is an example of a food. So in an iambic pentameter line, there will be 5 feet, 5 penta. So what you should remember is that the meter used for writing sonnet is iambic pentameter. There are 3 types of sonnets based on the differences in the stanza pattern. Petrarchan sonnet used by Petrarch, Spenserian sonnet used by Spenser, Shakespearean sonnet used by Shakespeare. In a Petrarchan sonnet, the first part is called octave, that is having 8 lines. The second part is called sestet, that is 6 lines. So Petrarchan sonnet is divided into two. First part is called octave having 8 lines and second part is called a sestet having 6 lines. In total 14 lines. The rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. You know that words at the end of poems rhyme with each other. So there is a scheme of rhyming. Alphabets are given to understand, to arrange or to identify the rhyming words. So the rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. In Spenserian sonnet, there will be 3 quatrains and a couplet. That is 14 lines. Quatrain means 4 lines. 3 quatrain means 3 into 4, 12, along with couplet. Couplet means 2 lines. So we have in total 14 lines. So Spenserian sonnet consists of 3 quatrains and a couplet. See, here is an example of Spenserian sonnet. The first quatrain, second quatrain, third quatrain, and a couplet. This is the rhyme scheme. A, B, A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D, C, D, E, E. Now, Shakespearean sonnet. Shakespearean sonnet is similar to Spenserian sonnet. It has three quatrains and a rhyming couplet. Rhyming couplet means two lines with rhyming words in the end. See the structure of a Shakespearean sonnet. First quatrain, second quatrain, third quatrain, and a heroic couplet, a rhyming couplet. C and D rhyme with each other. So, rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. A collection of Shakespeare's sonnet. We have seen that sonnets are of Italian origin. Who brought sonnets to English? These are the two poets who brought sonnets to England: Sir Thomas White and Surrey. Sir Thomas White and Surrey. In 1609, William Shakespeare's sonnets were published. The first important sonnet collection in English literature is Astrophel and Stella by Sir Philip Sidney. Astrophel and Stella by Sir Philip Sidney. Sonnet was a popular form of poetry. Many poets attempted it. Milton occasionally wrote sonnets. Sonnets became fashionable in Romantic period and during Victorian period. Two important poets who wrote sonnets in the 20th century were Geoffrey Hill and Seamus Heaney. See the pronunciation, it is not Seamus, Seamus Heaney. Tony Harrison is a poet who attempted sonnets in the late 20th century. Indian English writer Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth's Golden Gate is a novel written in the pattern of sonnet. So these are some basic facts about sonnet. Let us go through it once again. Sonnet consists of 14 lines. It originated in Italy. Sonnet means song or a small sound. It is written in the meter, iambic pentameter. There is a type of sonnet with 10 lines called curtal sonnet. There are three types of sonnets based on the differences in the stanza pattern. One Petrarchan sonnet, Spenserian sonnet, Shakespearean sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet is divided into two parts, octave and sestet. Octave consists of 8 lines, sestet consists of 6 lines. The rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is given. Spenserian sonnet consists of 3 quatrains and a couplet. Rhyme scheme of Spenserian sonnet is given. Shakespearean sonnet is similar to Spenserian sonnet. It consists of 3 quatrains and a rhyming couplet. Rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet. White and Surrey brought sonnets to England. In 1609, William Shakespeare's sonnets were published. The most important sonnet collection in English literature is the first most important collection, Astrophel and Stella. Two important poets who wrote sonnets in 20th century, Geoffrey Hill and Seamus Heaney. In the late 20th century, Tony Harrison, Indian English writer, wrote the novel Golden Gate in the pattern of sonnet. So we are stopping here and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.